Welcome to episode 28 of the tutorial series Livewire 3 from scratch. In this episode, I would like us to talk about wire confirm, the feature that has been released in the latest Livewire update. So I would like for us to be able to work with this one, we need to update our Livewire package to the latest update. So I want to go ahead and just run composer update. And if you are targeting a specific package, we can be able to pass the name of the package. So livewire /livewire. This command will just update only the livewire package and leave every other thing of our application the way it is. So it's going to take a while for it to update. Let me give it a while and then we will be back shortly. We have managed to successfully upgrade from version 3.0.1 to version 3.0.8. Obviously, by the time you are watching this, if you are using a version that is this one or above this feature will be there by default. You do not require to upgrade. So let us go ahead and see how to use this feature. So I want to just refresh to capture our changes. I have a component here where I just have the only thing that is existent is a button. So here we have a button, and inside the livewire class I have a method that we have called I have called delete. So as you can see, we are having a method called delete. So basically, for us to be able to use this feature, we can be able to attach on top of the click handler. So we will have the click handler that you hit the delete method. So wire click, and then in this case we can pass in delete, which is the method for deletion. But because when you have a delete button, sometimes you may have very serious consequences when a user just clicks delete, and sometimes you might find this person does not have the intention of clicking, they have clicked the button by mistake. So what we have as in this feature wire confirm is sort of like a security measure to just ensure that we are sure of what the user is doing, or in other words, we make the user confirm that they actually want to perform that specific action. So for us to be able to do that, if I have it like this, if somebody comes and clicks this button, I want to open the inspector, the console, such that we inspect whatever is that is happening. When I click on this button, as you can see, nothing is happening. I need to refresh. I need to open network, not console. So when I open network, when I click on delete, you can see there is something that has been released, and a request has gone to the delete method. So basically that is that. But now we can be able to put some use to the new feature, which is wire confirm. And inside here, you can be able to type whatever it is that you want to ask. So in this case, we can ask, are you sure? And we have a question mark like that. And then, of course, we can be able to refresh. And if I click it now, you can see we are being asked, are you sure? So if I cancel, you can see there is no request that has been sent to our backend. So in other words, this person has not deleted. But if we now click delete and we say okay, now still you can see that there is a request that has been sent to our livewire class, so in this case to perform the deletion. It is still possible to add a little bit more to this, and we can be able to do pass whatever it is that maybe we want a user to type in. Like for GitHub, sometimes if you want to delete a repository, you will have maybe to type the name of the repository for you to be able to delete it. You can be able to also have it in Livewire and be able to implement it. So I want to just work on that right now. So in this case, we can add, if wire confirm, are you sure? And then we can write type. So in this case, whatever it is that we want the user to write. So maybe type delete. Sorry, delete to confirm. Maybe delete to confirm. And then we pass in whatever it is that we want the user to type for confirmation. So instead of having OK, we can be able to pass in something else. So delete like that. So once we have it like that, I want us to go ahead and retry, or maybe let me just extend such that you're able to see whatever it is that I have here exactly. So what we are having here is we are having wire click delete, which you do the deletion, but then we are saying that, are you sure? And we want the user to type something to confirm, and then we are putting this slash, and then we are putting whatever it is that is the confirmation. So let us give it a try and see. I'm going to refresh, and now when we click it, now we have it like that. And I think it is, I'm supposed to attach something else because I need to add dot prompt. So wire confirm dot prompt, because if we have it like that, it just one and it will bring OK. So now if I refresh and click delete, now you can see there is a box where I'm supposed to type something. So if I type something else and click OK, now nothing happens. If I cancel, nothing happens. But if I type exactly whatever it is that we have there, which is delete in capital letters, and click OK, now you can see there is a request that has been sent to the endpoint. This is the end of the tutorial episode. Thank you very much for following up until this place. If you have not subscribed to this channel, I ask that you may please subscribe, and you can also share the video, and if you like the video, you can also give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much.